So guys, as you probably see, there is no mirror. I have lost one side mirror from a Renault Megane, and today I will show you how to replace this one. And as you see, I bought this some sort of, I think it's aftermarket, and I kinda thought that I ordered like with primary coat and etc, but this came without anything, just black one, so I will not paint right now, probably leave it for next summer. And as you see here, luckily for me, they left this one. This is the polster, and this is kind of good for not letting in the air and the sound and the warmth, but yeah, this is how when you remove it. Also, connector is kind of intact, just a little bit messed around. Probably I just tape it with electric tape around and then with regular tape, so help prevent from everything else. And here you can see the one point which you have to push, which actually holds in place this little plastic piece. There goes just one bolt, and the other just clips for the mirror. So this is what's left from my previous one. Well, if I really want, I could actually fix this one, paint also over it, and use this old body. But right now I don't want to do it, and here's some sort of messed up more things, like there is the motor. To be honest, it kind of looks like it's still in workable condition, so two little motors inside there. You can use them for something. This is from the other car. It was a silver color. Imagine that you have like mirror here and you want just to remove it, so you should probably do the opposite. So first you have to go here, and this is the hard stuff. It's not hold in place with any bolts, but this will be really hard to remove. But you have to open the doors, and you have to really hardly pull it. You can just use the good old wiggly mechanism and wiggle this stuff away. I will just put like in between my legs this one, try to I don't suggest you use some sort of tools there, because you will just damage everything. You want, as one part is already opened, so just one more left there, so just focus like there and try to wiggle it. Okay, it's open. Luckily for me, I still have the old bolt, so I will be able to use it for my new window. And these are the little pieces that hold this in place. One is left there. So if you want to remove your side mirror, well, you have to go right now here, and then start with this bolt. This is actually what holding in place your side mirror. And you see there are two hooks there. One is like there, and one is there. So just you have to work your way up there and just a little bit push them upward so you can take them out from the sides, but more or less you can see where they go. So I hope this is relevant for you. But this video is more about installing this new mirror, so sorry guys. Make sure you tuck everything back there nice and tight so it fits good here, as it should. Well, you can go for the connector. It goes a little bit outside, so not that big a problem. So you have to go from this side and have to like move it like that way. And you can go inside and put the bolt back. I'm holding this kind of with the tape in place, because otherwise it will just fall down. Then you have to take your little screw here, and there you can see also where you have to put it there. Or just bolt it up there. So here you can actually bolt this one with 8mm or Torx screwdriver, depending on what you want. I'll just go with 8mm, and then just tighten this up. Don't over tighten, otherwise it will just break the plastic piece. Make sure it's rather stable there too, doesn't fall up. You can take away these, you don't need any more of these ones. So if this does not feel right, probably you have to do like this. Just loosen this bolt here, and then just place with your hand how it should be, like press it down there, if like that, and by pressing this down there, just tighten the bolt, and this will do the job. I know this seems more legit and as it should be, holding in place, everything alright. Probably a little bit wobbly here, but if you go here, this also is wobbly, so these aren't too hard there. Anyway, so let's test this out if it works. Electric works here fine, that's nice. No, that's about it. That's how it works, rather fine and nice. Now let's put back this little piece. Look inside here if everything is alright. Yep, looks fine. And for this part, you don't need anything else, just a little bit of force and that's about it. Make sure you put this correct place. Like this on this side. And then just press this back in. Okay. And this is in. Thanks for watching, and I hope I at least could give you a little insight how to replace the body and what's inside there and what should expect and where to start. And then yeah, how easy it breaks. So at least I hope in this way it will help you. Yeah. And goodbye.